Are you struggling with deleting a section in Practice Better? You're not alone, and you're probably wondering why it's such a challenge. Let me show you why this happens, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how Practice Better works, and I'll even recommend some software alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. First thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better has specific rules for deleting sections in their platform. The main reason you can't delete a section might be due to its current use in a client's workflow. If you've assigned content, programs, or other elements tied to a section, Practice Better doesn't let you delete it until you unlink those items. That's one common reason why sections don't delete as expected. Next thing to consider is the system's permissions. If you're not the account owner or admin, you may not have the necessary access to delete sections. Depending on your role within the platform, certain features might be restricted, and deleting sections could fall into this category. Be sure to check your permissions with the admin or account owner to see if that's the issue. Now, the third thing that might be causing the problem is your browser's cache or cookies. Sometimes Practice Better doesn't reflect changes because of an outdated cache, causing sections to appear like they can't be deleted even though they actually can. Try clearing your cache and cookies, then reloading Practice Better to see if that resolves the issue. The fourth thing you might want to check is the type of section you're trying to delete. If it's a section tied to certain templates, programs, or features that are inherently locked for system stability, Practice Better may restrict deletion. This is typically done to prevent accidental loss of critical information. In this case, you might need to restructure your content or contact customer support for help. Now, let's talk about an important alternative. If deleting sections in Practice Better is something you constantly run into trouble with, there are other software platforms out there designed with more flexibility and fewer restrictions. One option to consider is Competitor Software, which offers better customization and fewer limitations on deleting or adjusting sections. I recommend checking that out if you're looking for more control and a smoother experience. Plus, they offer a free trial, so you can test it out without commitment. Lastly, to wrap up, I want to mention that I've linked an exclusive offer for an extended free trial with Competitor Software down in the description. This is only available through our link, so take advantage of it while you can. And if you're looking for alternatives, I've added some other great options that may suit your goals better than Practice Better. Remember, with the right software, you can streamline your workflow and avoid the frustration of dealing with issues like deleting sections. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out those alternatives in the description for a more user-friendly experience.